All right, everybody out there. Another common complaint in my shop is a ticking when you start your engine up, and it sounds like it's coming from like the bell housing area of your engine, between your engine and transmission. And this gentleman here on his 2011 Tahoe says he went on the internet and he found it to be flex plate, found it to be torque converter bolts or flywheel bolts or something else, whatever. I mean, the internet's filled with all kinds of information, whatever you want to find or whatever the results are. But out in the parking lot, I'm an honest guy. I try to run an honest business. And I told him right there before I spent a lot of time on, I already kind of knew what it was. I said, it sounds like to me it's the Bendix or the gear inside the starter tapping the flywheel. So, he kind of looked at me and, he wasn't questioning my expertise, but he had been on the internet and he researched so much that he was kind of questioning what I was saying because it didn't kind of fit what he had found. So I'm going to show you firsthand what it looks like when the starter taps the flywheel. And here we go. Now you see how I can move that with my thumb? It's just sitting in there floating back and forth like this, and it's tapping the flywheel. I shouldn't be able to move that with my finger. See how it comes out and engages? Inside there's a mechanism, and there's a lever. There's a lever down in here, and then there's a spring inside here. Now this is a solenoid. It pulls back and pushes this out to engage the gear. Well, that spring's weak, probably broke, whatever. But that is what does it. And you can see the new starter. So that's what to look for on the tapping or ticking noise coming between the engine and transmission. So as you can see, not all repairs are what they are or what they appear to be on the internet. A lot of people, there's so many different noises between engines these days, and some things are obvious and some things aren't so obvious. So just don't weigh in so heavily on the internet, even on me, because it could be something else. Until next time, bye.